All right, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back. I didn't start recording when I should have, but this seat's out, that seat's out, and we are finally gonna fix this thing. My ant infestation has been getting vacuumed. I still have some, but the floor in this thing is shot. I don't know why we would cut holes in the floor and not plug them up, but you know, whatever. But yeah, that's not the only problem. These ants are everywhere. This is my fire pit. What do they want from a fire pit is my question. So I had to go grab some like home defense spray for all this. I don't know what's going on. They are not in any of my other trucks. Y'all remember we had that problem with the blue truck though when they were in there, and that sucked. But we got that taken care of, and man, what a nice ride. But we got that taken care of last time. I got my big boots on. Look, I can't even fit up. Look, my feet get stuck in there. You gotta like half do this thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the spray. I'm gonna go spray a bunch of stuff and hopefully keep vacuuming up ants. Peace, I'll be back. All right guys, not today, but 2-day update on the ant situation. And oh, see a couple. But other than that, guys, we're looking pretty good. What's going on over there? Not much, but all right. I think we're on the road to success. Got the Yukon back. Big Q don't put a front mainsail in it for me. But yeah, so I'm not. Oh, somebody hitting the anti-lag. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in with you guys sometime this weekend on the bag truck and see where we're at with the ant situation. All right, guys. So I'm out here at the bag truck, and I think we're good. I saw one ant, and I killed him one, but there's no more in there. And I don't remember in this video if I've talked about the floor being rusty, but there's like a billion holes. There's more under the carpet. So yeah, I had to fix that, but I'm gonna sand all that down. Thankfully, it's still solid, but yeah, that is something I do want to fix. So I'll probably do that today or tomorrow, maybe. But I'm gonna sand it down, hit it with some that rust inhibitor stuff, and yeah. But I got an update on the Yukon I want to show you guys. Since I showed it in the last video, I got a hood, and a bird dropped a fat one up there. But yeah, if you remember in the other video, the hood was like flat gray or whatever. Now I got a painted one. Big Q went and got that for me. It cost me $30, and then I paid for his gas because I was at work and he had a day off, so he hooked me up for sure. So I mean, it looks so good. And then if we come around to the side, oh, I got some new tires on this jank, some brand new Lexanias, looking good. But oh my god, dude, they just tear it up. But same with the windows, as you can see, did a little 20. Looks like there's a lot of bubbles in there, so I have to squeegee that out and then threw some taillights in it. I think they look pretty good. Alright guys, this absolutely sucks in here, but knocking all the surface crap down, gonna have to just clean it and go from there. I noticed, oh, it looks like it's gonna rain. I noticed this side is looking not too bad, but I still need to hit it, move all these freaking junk wires and vacuum out this truck. But yeah guys, I do want to show y'all the Yoda real quick because things looking fire, and she looks like a freaking truck again. Don't mind all the dirt, but yeah, this is the lineup of vehicles I have. So yeah, I'm gonna keep sanding and get it painting, and hopefully we can beat this rain. All right, guys, sitting on a bucket. I feel like I'm body dropped because my head's touching the roof. Hopefully you guys can see me. This is very sketchy. Oh God. The brand new clutch in here can barely even. Okay, we're just going for it. I think I scooted my bucket too far back. Oh, and by the way, I'm just trying to put it in the carport because of the rain. All right, hold on. Gotta scoot my bucket up. Make sure nobody's coming. This is the first vehicle that's been in the carport since the Yoda, since October of 2023. So, if you ask me, that's something to brag about. It means I'm getting projects done, baby. Now, we can get it in here. Oh, I hit my seats, but all right. Oh God. We got her in here. That was definitely an event, but like I said, the rain's coming, so time to start moving things before we get drenched. All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video for the bag truck. Sorry it's really bright out here, but out here in the beautiful Outer Banks with the bag truck, don't mind that. I spilled some oil the other day, but looking good. Got the console in, got the seats in. I mean, it's a full truck now. No ants, no more holes in the floor. You can kind of see in there. Oh, but no more holes, none of that crap. I think it's from the previous seats, but yeah, guys, just wanted to close the video off here. Trying to come back with some more. If my hair or my face looks different, actually, no, wrong video. But yeah, just trying to close these videos out that I've had stored on my phone. But yeah, guys, appreciate y'all watching, man, and we'll get right back to it.